Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming firmware on both the Ps5 and the Astro A40 Tr Mixamp. This prevents handshake issues. Next, connect the Mixamp to the console using the USB cable to the Ps5 or optical adapter when applicable, and power the unit. Set the Mixamp to console mode so the Ps5 recognizes game audio. Once done, plug your headphones into the Mixamp's jack and open Ps5 sound settings. This ensures the hardware link is established before adjusting levels. You now configure the Ps5 audio path so both game and chat route correctly. Go to Settings, Sound Audio Output, and select the Mixamp or USB headset as output device. Disable TV speakers to avoid duplicate audio. If your headset supports 3D audio and you want spatial cues, enable 3D audio and calibrate. Use the Mixamp's chat/game mix and master volume to balance levels, and set side tone so you can hear yourself. These steps prevent echo and ensure consistent audio mixing. You finish by validating the full setup. Join a party or run an in-game sound test to confirm chat and game audio levels. If audio seems off, toggle DSP modes on the Mixamp to match music, movie, or game profiles. This changes equalization and why it can fix clarity. When problems persist, reflash firmware and cycle the Mixamp's USB connection. A reliable troubleshooting tip: switch the Mixamp to console mode again. Unplug and replug USB, then reboot the Ps5. That often clears recognition faults.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.